day everyone. Autumn has arrived and autumn is the time for punctures of tires and tubes. In autumn, the thorns begin to bloom and, with the help of the wind, they fly away in different directions of the roads. Sometimes at this time a 5-minute drive is enough and the tube and tire are punctured. To get rid of this problem, I purchased a special anti-puncture gel with a capacity of 400 ml. One chamber needs to be filled with 200 ml of anti-puncture gel. Next, unscrew the nipple from the nipple. The nipple is unscrewed using the cap by unfolding it. If the nipple is difficult to unscrew, use pliers to help, tear it off, and unscrew the nipple. Next, we insert one end of the hose into the nipple, and put the other end on the balloon with gel. And now, by pressing the bolt, we pump in the gel. You need to pump 200 ml. This is half the bolt. At the beginning the download goes well. After pumping 150 ml, the chamber becomes saturated and the gel flows poorly. In this case you need to pump up the air. Now we distribute the gel throughout the chamber manually. And now we complete the gel. We see that the gel does not enter again. This indicates that the chamber is completely filled with gel. Now remove the hose and screw the nipple back in. We also pour the gel onto the front wheel, but without removing the tire. Next, we spin the wheel so that the gel is distributed throughout the entire arc of the wheel. Thank you all for your attention. Like and subscribe to the channel.